Hey, Beatrice, the information that I'm looking for is actually different. What you're showing me is actually your onboard Intel video card, not the NVIDIA. So what I'm going to do is go down here to my start, and I'm just going to type in device manager. I'm going to select it, and my computer's going to yell at me and say you're not, because of the way UT has this set up, and this is fine. So I'm just going to click OK. Yours probably won't do this. It'll probably just open up a dialog box that looks like this. And if you go to your display adapters, you'll see various ones. So the Intel UHD graphics is actually the one that is soldered to your board that like Microsoft Word uses. And the NVIDIA is the one that I want to know. So if you just go to your device manager and expand your display adapters, it will look like this. The other thing you can do as well, I don't know, this may be a solution, but I don't think so, is you can go, if you go to the start, and I'm going to type in NVIDIA. I have an NVIDIA control panel app. Oftentimes it installs when you install your driver, so you may have this, or the desktop manager. I'm just going to open up the app, and it's going to open up this NVIDIA control panel, right? And so, what I can do is go to help and go to system information. And if I do that, it'll open up a dialog box that kind of shows me all of the system information for this GPU. And really what we're interested in is this number right here, the dedicated video memory. And you'll see shared video memory here, but really what we're looking for is this guy. Mine has 6 gigabytes, right? So 6,000 megabytes. So I'm looking for that. The other thing that you can look to is when it opens this manage 3D settings under here, you need to make sure that if you go to program settings, like here's my Lumion, and it's set to the high performance NVIDIA processor. You can always, if it's not there and it doesn't, isn't accessed through here, you can always add. So if I go to add, it'll scroll through sort of all of your available options. Lumion is a separate load, so I do not think Inkscape is going to be a separate load. It's just part of Revit, so it would be part of the Revit, Autodesk Revit, update. But you can actually come in and add the selected program, and you can see that it's already using the high performance NVIDIA processor. You just want to make sure that like Lumion is using the high performance and not the global integrated graphics. That's the little one. So that might be a problem too. But I can help you with that if you want. But that's it. All right.